Let's make a casket-shaped charcuterie board using a Dollar Tree wall hanging. First, you're going to peel off all the paper and the plastic. And if you need help, you can use water and a scraper. Just apply some water to the paper and use your scraper to peel it off. It's not that bad. It comes right off. And then you get a bag of plastic bones. I cut the small ones in half and made divots in the large ones using a Dremel. I hot glued those together, spray painted them, and made handles. Then I took my charcuterie boards and painted them with acrylic paint. I sprayed one side with polyacrylic and let it dry. Once that dried, I put it on, elevated them and put them on parchment paper, and I used epoxy. I poured it over top and made sure I got all the drippage off my sides. Used a heat gun and alcohol to eliminate the bubbles, making sure to get all the drippage off the sides. And then I went to my Cricut and I selected my image. I measured it, made sure it was the right size. I cut it out and I let my epoxy dry 4 to 6 hours. Once my epoxy was dry 4 to 6 hours, I put my image on. I applied another coat of epoxy. Let it dry another 4 to 6 hours, and boom, charcuterie board.